Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. Today, we'll be learning how to back up Telegram chats. Before starting, if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. To create a full backup from your Telegram account easily, you'll first need to make sure you have an updated Telegram version on your PC. Since Android does not have this option within the app, let's try backing up Telegram chats on our PC. Simply sign into your Telegram application on your desktop. And as soon as you're in, go to the hamburger menu, located at the upper left. Now click on Settings from the menu. From the pop-up, select Advanced. Under Daytime Storage you can see Export Telegram Data. Simply click on it and here are the things that will be exported. If you perform this action, your contacts list, your account information, and your personal chats, and your private group chats. You can even export the bot chats as well. But let me just skip this for now. After you find yourself inside this pop-up, simply click on Export and wait for some time. After it is done, click on Show My Data. This is the document that is backed up. Simply click it open, and your data will be exported. You'll be able to view all the chats, contacts, and frequent contacts data that has been exported. That is how you can back up Telegram chats on your PC. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.